Okay, so last video we were doing notes 3-10. So I'm going to help you out a little bit with your assignment 3-10. So it's just like our notes. What we were doing is first we should distribute if we need to distribute. Once we distribute, we want to simplify by combining like terms. And then solve for the missing variable, or solve for the variable. So these are our steps: distribute, simplify by combining like terms, and then solve for the variable. So I'm going to start with number 1. I have a y and a y, keeping the sign in front, and then I'm going to combine those, 5 and 3, which is 8y. I'm going to bring down the minus 4 and then equals positive 12. I can't combine numbers if they're on different sides of the equal sign. I can only combine things that are on the same side of the equal sign. So now I can solve for x, or for y. I'm going to add 4 to both sides, which is going to be 8y, because this becomes 0, equals 16. And 8 divided by 16 is 2. So y is equal to 2. Let me do number 2 for you, and then I'll leave you to do the rest. Well, I'll do number 2, and then I'll do number 4. So, because that's a distributive, and then this is just a combined like terms. So I have n's, negative n, negative 2n, positive 5n, and then I have positive 7 and negative 3, and they're on the all on the same side of the equal sign, so I can combine them. So negative n and negative 2n is negative 3n, and then negative 3n and 5n, positive 5n, is going to be positive 2n, and then 7 and negative 3 is positive 4, and then that equals negative 6. So now I can solve. I want to subtract 4 because I want to get rid of my addition and subtraction first. I'm left with 2n equals negative 10. 2 into negative 2 divided by negative 10 is, this becomes 1. It's going to cancel, and n is going to equal negative 5, because a negative and a positive is a negative. And I'm sorry I don't have enough room to write it all down for you. Alright, so let's look at number 4. I'm going to distribute first. So I have negative 3x. Keep the sign in the middle, because a negative and a positive, oh, actually a negative and a positive is a negative, so I'm actually not keeping the sign in the middle. Negative times a positive, which is negative 15, equals 12. Let me restate that because I don't want to confuse anybody. So because the 3 has a negative on the end, I have to use that negative when multiplying or distributing. So negative 3 times x is negative 3x, because that's a negative, times a positive, which is a negative. Negative 3 times positive 5 is negative 15, because a negative and a positive is a negative. So now I want to get the x by itself. What I do on one side, I do to the other. I'm left with negative 3x and 27, and then negative 3 divided by negative or positive 27, a negative divided by positive is a negative, so the answer is negative 9. So I hope this helps. Complete the rest of your worksheet on your own, and I will see you Monday, maybe Tuesday. Bye.